The single biggest mistake most new Amazon sellers make has nothing to do with Amazon. See, the biggest mistake comes from not knowing what they don't know, meaning they get just enough information from YouTube videos, ChatGPT, or random advice to start the business. But when things get hard, they have no idea what to do. And just like any business, the Amazon FBA business will get difficult, and many sellers struggle to overcome challenges. So instead of getting help, they quit. Follow a proven, repeatable process closely. Number 2, they ask for help and accept the advice and critiques. Number 3, they don't stop when things are difficult. Instead, they lean on their support. And number 4, they use data and research to make good decisions instead of their gut. Now, I've helped thousands of sellers since 2013 start, grow, and scale an Amazon FBA business to earn sustainable income, even while working a full-time job. If you haven't heard of this type of business before, don't worry. I created a free training that runs you through the basics of the business, all the way on how you can find products and then actually launch and market them on Amazon. Now, can I guarantee that you succeed? Absolutely not. But the training is free, and if you've looked at this business model before, I bet you're going to see how this sets you up for success better than anything you've seen to date. Go ahead and click the link to reserve your spot.